Whiskers, a small, timid orange tabby cat with fluffy fur and wide, curious green eyes, loves his comfortable life indoors. He spends his days curled up in a cozy bed near the window, nibbling on delicious meals and playing with his humans. But beyond the safety of his home, something fills his heart with fear: the dark alley behind his house. Each evening, as the sun sinks below the horizon, Whiskers watches the alley from the safety of his windowsill. The long, twisting shadows stretch across the cold brick walls. The wind howls, and strange shapes move between the trash cans. His tiny heart pounds. What could be lurking out there? One night, as Whiskers cautiously watches the alley, he notices something unusual: a small bird, its wing tangled in a piece of string, struggling to escape. It chirps weakly, flapping helplessly. Whiskers' heart clenches. If he doesn't help, the bird may never escape. But helping means stepping into the very place he fears the most. Whiskers takes a deep breath. His small paws tremble as he steps outside. The alley is colder than he imagined, the wind whispering dark secrets. The shadows loom over him, but now they seem different. They shift with the wind, stretching with the flickering light. Keeping his eyes on the bird, he pushes forward. As Whiskers untangles the bird, he senses movement nearby. From behind a trash bin, a small gray squirrel twitches its nose curiously. A sleek black alley cat with glowing golden eyes watches from a fence post. The alley wasn't hiding monsters, it was hiding friends. With a newfound confidence, Whiskers trots back home. The shadows still dance, but they no longer frighten him. Instead, they remind him of the wonders waiting to be discovered. He curls up in bed, staring at the alley, not with fear, but with curiosity.